Who are we?
Sound Academic Coaching is a coaching and consulting business whose mission is to help improve executive skills in schools and homes. For over a decade, we have been meeting the needs of families across the U.S. We currently have over 20 coaches who are experienced educators working with families and students of all ages. As co-founders, Kelly and I also facilitate school programs that provide teacher professional development, parent workshops, and student support. We are former teachers and also parents, so we get it. We understand the needs of both the classroom and at home. How do executive function skills impact your school?
EF skills are important for all students to help them meet the demands of school and everyday life. They help us with efficiency and productivity and are more of an indicator of life success than IQ. Administrators, teachers, and parents have been noticing an alarming trend in our students' executive skill development. Between rigorous course loads, extracurricular activities, and busy social lives, the demands on our students are always growing, yet schools and parents don't do enough to give students the skills to meet those demands. Kids need to be able to prioritize, organize, and work efficiently, and it's up to schools and families to teach them to do that. What are the benefits to creating an EF literate community?
Our professional development training and parent workshops help to build a common EF vocabulary and create a foundation for understanding the importance of building and practicing those evidence-based strategies. We aim to empower teachers, parents, and students to grow and learn together, to thrive academically and beyond. By partnering with us, your school can offer additional resources and support to your community, reinforcing the values of academic excellence and personal growth that are central to your mission.
Strong EF skills promote focus, keep kids organized, and help with motivation, just to name a few benefits. Ultimately, when a school supports and promotes EF skills, they increase learning in the classroom and make their teachers' classrooms' lives easier and their students more successful.
What have other schools done? How have we helped other schools?
Our program is customizable for your school so we can meet your needs. We design school-wide programs that build a multi-tiered learning environment for teachers, parents, and students. We conduct a needs assessment to identify the challenges students face related to EF skills, such as time management, organization, emotional regulation, goal setting, and more. We gather data from teachers and administrators through surveys and conversations. We then analyze the data to identify specific areas where support is needed.
Our tailored approach uses the latest neuroscience findings along with practical solutions to build awareness, promote student growth, and impact positive change within your community. By providing the right tools to navigate the challenges of school, we empower students to take charge of their learning, overcome obstacles, and achieve their full potential both in school and beyond.
How can we work with your school?
We'd love to chat with you about the best program for your school and situation. Follow the link on this page to set up a meeting where we can answer more questions and talk through details. From one-time parent education evenings to comprehensive year-long programs that involve parents, teachers, and students, we have ideas to share and look forward to working with you.